ebuchafo na ye cheche wo biara sanso ema ahwefo etifo adofo enyinara ye mo biara akwaba ede eba Friendship TV as your most inspirational YouTube channel. Ebuchafo won se mabepie mu e wo hasabre na eyabra metena anframa mu ede ama the original host of this program Mame Ekuya Enchwa enei okodi djuma sumbi wo bebinta. I'm the one representing her. Eitino semester so nya subscribe ya ba homodene na subscribe ne kama emfa emai ebuchafo ebra yense wo bra ne mbonra enensem na ye wo ede ema mu no ebuchafo na ye share ensem na se na ye de amamodi ani na ene se for the first time in history ye chen say Nacee waba be reply Brother Sammy na eno no be bisa me say edi nti anase den nam so ema Nacee ebe reply Brother Sammy enyina nim say ebra aseda Nacee di aseda nwum na eba no in fact anwum ebe trendy wo man ga na mu anya asem keto nipa bebre na in fact wo mani age nwum yu anya asem keto na one of the things ema anwum no trendy ene say Nacee ede be tu dwa say obia mfa nwum no nye video no posti eno ntino ebra no ba bonte no Brother Sammy say wono so ekofa anwum no so ede ye hu video no post the two on no YouTube platform so na ebra Nacee hu say sa anwum no ekwa na say generate more views no ena Nacee reporting the YouTube channel no ena nam so ema YouTube for striking ka kiti ka ne channel no feelings ena nam so ne bufu ya okotena GH page TV so and cancer threat Nacee ekasa fa no ho ne asam keto ena nam so ema Nacee so kopie mu e Hit FM ebra woni and the dust etwetwe nkom ena and the dust ko fa asam ne bai bisa ne se na beef ben ana senta wantawa ben ena wo ne Brother Sammy tema anam so ma Brother Sammy kika ho nsem ne ade eno ana Nacee so kasa se asem no akwakofa bai yenkoni koti asema Nacee so eka e de fa asam no ho yambra.
Someone is asking, is Brother Sammy featuring on the song?
Your father.
Which song? Asida challenge.
He wasn't part of the selection.
He said he recorded his version and you took it off. Is that Nacee his son?
Your father, Brother Sammy.
Okay.
No, but wait, do you is that supposed to be a joke or it was serious?
I don't know. I think he will be in a better position to answer that question, whether if it's a joke or he means it.
Did you confront him?
No.
Why?
My times are very, very precious. I don't have the time for chasing empty barrels. So
I do joke. The pusher I need to joke. Time near pressure.
You know, but Brother Sammy won't take this lightly, man.
Oh, but I don't have the time. That's the thing, because I mean.
But wait, so what exactly is what exactly is the issue?
You see, maybe today is not the right time to talk about that issue. But I mean, at the right time. Benifobu baby say, "Udi kan okota na wundi ibe." But you know, if like we're really he would have advised himself to withdraw from these things, because whenever you make any post, everybody is insulting you, and which I don't like it. You see, I don't like people insulting him, because he's one person that he's very gifted.
Yeah.
You know, so people like that, we need them in the kingdom. But you know, one other thing, how I treat such situations and such people is in the church is like a clinic. All of us, we go there, seek advice or counseling and healing. So some of the people, they are not fully healed. So if you are not careful, somebody will bring some, anger on you, and you have to answer based on, but obey a mistake. So because I kind of say, Pantana say we not so be bomb as me jeans or shot at the into no a correct person. I'm in a somebody will come and says, Massa, but I'm in a one in a corner. What I say. So I take care of certain things at the right time. So I think he should advise himself. And some of the utterances are very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Imagine you saying that Ajina see you and Sana Menya awards. That's a threat. And police can hold you for that. It's a threat. So some of these things. I mean, why would you awards? And so what? How should somebody die before you win an award? If you think you are strong enough, why don't you also release? all your career, have you released any song that will even, when the shortlist, like Tata House is even shortlisting the artist, your name will be even be mentioned?
Oh, yeah, challenges.
So you think about your career, and you know, I think me and my brother, anytime, any day, if you ask for my support, I'm always there to help. So, but insulting me and
so if it comes to you to work with you, what's going to happen?
we'll take it from there.
Ebusa for pepe anete ha na mede ensem nyina ebesi ede mo me mede ensem bro mede ara energy coordinate makram.